Welcome to Joy Tales Part 2 at Little Step Stories, Episode 2, The Bear Encounter. In the previous story, we saw that Aya was climbing the mountain, but she had no idea she was entering the land of a snow leopard. Land of Nora. Now let's see what happens further. Aya continued to walk towards the top of the mountain. It was getting colder towards the peak. I miss my home. I miss Mumba, Coco and Kwahu. Aya was talking to herself. I'm sure by now Mumba must have read my message and Kwahu must be on a lookout, she added. Lost in thoughts, tired and hungry, Aya decided to take rest near a tree. I hope I find something to eat here, she thought. Aya looked around and found a few apple trees. That's where I will rest as I eat some apples, she added. After eating, Aya fell asleep. She dreamed of bringing herbs for Mumba and being back in her jungle. Clearly, she was missing her home. Something fell on Aya's head and she woke up. It was an apricot. She looked up and saw some squirrels. Aya was happy to see someone around. She was very lonely. She took some apricots and offered them to the squirrels so that she could play with them. They played for a while, and suddenly the squirrel sensed something and ran off. By now, Aya had understood animals and birds so well that she realized something scared off the squirrels. Aya prepared herself for an unknown danger around. She looked around but could not see anything suspicious. So she continued to walk, but she was alert. She felt as if someone was watching her. She shouted, "Whoever it is, I mean no harm to you. Come out and we can talk." But she heard no reply. "It is okay if you don't want to come out. I am going to keep walking my way. I am not here to fight," she added. Aya knew there was someone around, but could not guess who it was. As she kept walking and looking around, she was not looking down on her path. She stepped on a nail that pierced her foot. As soon as Aya got injured, out came a bear. With the injured foot, Aya was unable to run. She was in severe pain. And she saw a polar bear coming right towards her. Oh, so this is what was following me, Aya thought. The bear pushed Aya and she fell on the ground. "You don't belong to this mountain. I will give you one chance to leave," said the bear. "You are right. I don't belong here. But I am here for a purpose. I will not leave until I fulfill it," replied Aya. "But I will not harm anyone, I assure you," she added as she stood up. "I don't trust humans," the bear added. "I just need some herbs from the top of the mountain," said Aya. "You can't take anything from our mountain," said the bear and threw a stone at Aya. Aya's foot was bleeding and now she got a hit in the head with the stone. She was in too much pain to use her wind power. She could not focus. The bear understood that Aya is weak and will not fight back. He came running towards Aya. Right when he was about to pounce on her, another bear came to Aya's rescue. Aya did not see the second bear coming, and she was stunned to see two bears who looked the same right in front of her. It looked like they were twins.